Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in today. If you are new here, glad to have you. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications from my weekly recipes. So today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian Scotch egg. I'll be using the breadcrumbs from my last video. If you haven't seen that yet, please click the link above to see how I made that. So without any further ado, let's get to it. And it's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.